recursion. Today we are going to study the recursion function. Recursion is nothing but repetition of function. What? It is nothing but the repetition of function. A function within the function is nothing but recursion, to call itself again and again. So the recursion function is nothing but calling of the function again and again. Whenever you write any kind of function and you call the same function in that function only, then you can call this concept as recursion. So this is also used. We will see the examples, more examples of this kind in the upcoming videos. Now here another concept is there in C language, that is of arrays. So array in C language is nothing but the collection of group of elements. All these are homogeneous. It is a contiguous memory. Now the declaration of array in the name size, for example, if there are students, right, and for students there are marks. Now, right, student number 1, student number 2 reports. So this is nothing but the one dimensional array. And if you take a two dimensional array, for example, if you write integer marks and you take say for example 2 comma 4, so the array would be 2 by 4 type. Here 2 columns would be there, say for example here, and here will be 4 rows. So this kind of array will come into existence. So one, you consider the name of student over here, S1 and S2, and here are marks 1, 2, there are 3 subjects for example, and here the marks would be displayed. So this is 2-dimensional array. So, and that too can be used in many of the concepts the arrays are used. And okay, so we will also take in future the advantages of arrays in the next. So advantages of array is nothing but the code optimization, and second, easy to traverse data, easy to sort data, and random access is provided. So traverse code optimization becomes easy by using arrays. It can be used to traverse the data also, and to sorting the data also becomes easily. Here sorting techniques are a lot of available there in C language. We'll take examples of sorting also in the future sessions. And random access also becomes easy in the arrays. Here 2D array is represented in the form of rows and columns. It is also called as matrix, and the array is list of arrays. Here is size 1 and size 2 is given. So here data type, array name, and size 1 and size 2. So both are enclosed in 2 brackets. So 2 by 4, then you have to mention like this. Data type is for example integer, and array name you take for example student, you took the array name. Then 2 by 4 is nothing but the array size. So these are all examples integer array, and here actually the values are stored. Now they took 3 by 4 as the array. Here 3 rows are there and 4 columns are there. So basically 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. So this is nothing but the format of the array 3 by 4, and here 1 2 3 4 is put 1 2 3 4, here 2 3 4 5, and here 3 4 5 6. So this is nothing but the array 3 by 4. So here it can be represented like this in format, and this was nothing but the arrays. We will also take in future lectures all different techniques. Thank you.